In today's episode of Homestead How, we are going to be setting up a whole bunch of cool stuff like a playset and a ZipLine. As you can see, we are very helpful.
Yeah! Thanks for all the help, girls! Carrie here from HomesteadHow, and on today's episode we're doing some major improvements to our homestead. Some really fun ones too. We're improving our Airbnb rental for our guests. We're putting in a ZipLine. And we're building an awesome playset with the help of our triplets. Let's get started. We're setting up a playset and a ZipLine all in one day. This table's got to go that way.
It's gonna get my toes.
The toes are not in your shot.
Yes, it is. It's right when
They can't see your toes.
Right
I'll blur your toes out. Katie's about to crash the truck.
She's leaving, so she doesn't know.
Katie's gonna drive off. Katie, it's this way. Illegal. Okay, now come back and turn the wheel all the way to the left. Come a little bit more. Okay, stop. We have to move this gazebo that way and turn it. Say yeah! Do it! Say yeah! You didn't say it.
I did.
All right, what's the next step? We got to move the gazebo.
Why are you doing the gazebo?
We need 4 people. Where's Alyssa? We have to move the gazebo. I don't know, that rope is seen its last days.
Is that a fat joke?
That is a I don't want to take Emma to the hospital joke. Here we go for the big reveal on this box. Whoa.
Oh, that's some nice wood.
That is nice. Oh yeah.
Don't you just want to take a bite into it?
One thing that's really impressive with this Olympia wood swing set is you get this whole thing on Amazon, a gigantic swing set, and it comes in these 2 boxes. So they've engineered this thing to ship it in 2 boxes. Because when you get them at Home Depot or there's other stores, you get like 5 or 6 boxes. I saw one of these at Costco yesterday. It was 5 huge boxes, and it was no larger than this. If all of you move that cabinet, then I don't have to lift it. Don't drop it. If you're gonna drop it, just tell me what's wrong. Back a little. Back a little. Drop it.
What are you doing?
We're finding 15 and 29.
The instructions that came with this playset were very good. We just went through, everything was marked. So the biggest thing when doing a large project like this is to get organized early. We set out some tables, put all the pieces out by part number, and then we could just go through the instructions step by step, grab each part and start assembling. It really went very smoothly, despite the fact that triplets were easily distracted.
Water break. She doesn't know what that is. You can't do that. Delish.
Really
See, you just finished step whatever.
We just finished step 1. It looks great. I think it goes over here, but I'm not sure. But with step 1 completed, we got into a really good rhythm, and I used some extra tools. You know, it comes with an Allen wrench, but I used my drill and my impact driver. You just got to be careful with the drill. You can set the torque so you don't over tighten anything down. But this set is really cool. I was impressed. It's got a little rock climbing wall ladder to get up into it. It's got all the planking for the bottom, so it went together really quickly.
Stop. Don't move my toes.
Our girls are a little too big for this playset, but we have lots of cousins, and with our Airbnb rental we're always having family over. And we have a bunch of cousins coming over tomorrow, so we're really trying to get this and the ZipLine done in one day before all the cousins arrive. All right, we got the monkey bars up. It's all coming together pretty quickly. And it's really strong, it holds me. I'm pretty fat. Yeah! All right, we got the playset all set up. It looks great. It wasn't bad to install. It took a lot of time, but as long as you're organized, it goes really smoothly, and it's really strong and secure. Really happy with how this turned out in time for the cousins to come over tomorrow, but we're not done yet. We still have to set up the zip line. But this thing is cool. It's got the monkey bars, the play area, the covered top. There's a sandbox on the bottom. We're going to put some sand in there next. Then you've got 2 swings and then this kind of flyer swing, which the girls really like. So the triplets, and I gotta be honest myself, were really excited to set up this 150-foot zip line. A few days before the cousins arrived, I prepared the area and we got half of the zip line set up, and we actually used our big bucket truck, which is completely unnecessary. You could do this with just a ladder, but wanted to use the bucket truck and make this a little more extreme and a little higher up. So we prepared the whole area, and then after we got done building the play set, we went to finish the assembly of the zip line.
What's going on YouTube here?
All right, we got the zip line all set up, and oh my goodness, that was a lot of fun. We'd keep going right now. We went about 100 times, but it's too dark out, so we're gonna continue it tomorrow. So in the end, we were able to get everything set up before the cousins came. The playset turned out great. The zip line is going to be a ton of fun, and we're thankful and blessed to be able to have this amazing homestead and these cool things. Thanks a lot for watching. Here's some of our favorite photographs we took on and about our homestead this week.